Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Honey. So, today we are going to do a no contact reading. This is a general reading, guys. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. This is for all the signs, and this is a timeless reading. So, whenever you come across this reading may have some insights for you. Okay, as I said, this is a general reading. So if you're looking for a more accurate and personal reading, you can reach out to me. My email ID is given in the description of this video and also on my channel's info. Okay, so let's see, what do the cards have? No contact. Okay, let's see what is the energy right now. What is the energy right now? What is the energy right now in this no contact situation? What is the energy right now? This is a mutual energy, so it can be yours energy or it can be your energy or your person's energy. Okay, so see how it resonates. Okay, let's see what's the energy right now. Okay, the Hanged Man. Okay, please clarify the Hanged Man as the current energy in this no contact situation. Please clarify the Hanged Man as the current energy in this no contact situation. All right. So the situation is stuck here, It's like there is difficulty in moving on and kind of feeling comfortable in this stuck energy. Okay. I also see that the things are not moving, or you're not able to move on, or the person is not able to move on because there is some kind of a victim mindset. I cannot do this, things are not in my hand, I am bound by the circumstances, I'm bound by the situation, I'm bound by the people around. मेरे हाथ में कुछ नहीं है, मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता या कर सकती, irrespective of gender. So that kind of mindset is there. But you have to see that, sorry, but you have to see that if you really want to come out of this situation, you can do that. All you have to do is set yourself free. See, in both the cards, the hands are tied, okay, and they both are comfortable in this stuck energy. They are not ready to come out of this stuck energy, and somewhere they are feeling comfortable in being stuck. Okay, so that is what. So not able to see clearly because somewhere the third eye chakra is blocked, and you are not actually willing to see clearly, and you are somewhere comfortable being stuck and blaming the situation or the people around or the circumstances for whatever you are going through. You are having so many thoughts running in your mind, but it's all kind of a mental cage being created. Okay, it's like sometimes हमारा mind हमारे साथ tricks play करता है, right? कि I can't do this, n number of excuses will come up, and feel stuck and comfortable in that stuck energy. That is what is happening here. Okay, let's see what are the energies of your person right now. What are the energies of your person right now? What are the energies of your person right now? Okay, we have the Moon card, the Magician, the Lovers, and the Two of Cups. Okay, so there is love, there is physical attraction, there is obsession, there is this energy of trying to bring things together. जैसा connection पहले था उस तरह का चाहते हैं कि चीजें पहले जैसी हो जाए, पहले से बेटर हो जाए. There is love, there is passion, there is obsession also, but there is subconscious fear. Okay, I think this person feels a soulmate kind of energy, but at the same time there is so much of physical attraction and love, both. I'm seeing both, and they just want to clear the air. जो भी मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग है या जो भी इश्यूज है, उन सबको क्लियर करके चीज़ों को वर्कआउट करने की एनर्जी है. बट देयर इज सबकॉन्शियस फियर, नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हाउ द थिंग्स विल टर्न आउट. इवन इफ दे ट्राई, they are not sure how the things will turn out. So there is subconscious fears whether I should take the initiative or I should let it be, I should surrender to the universe or I should take some step. So दिल और दिमाग में बहुत debate kind of thing is going on, and they are not able to understand किसकी सुनना है किसकी नहीं सुनना है. And there is again then the subconscious fear comes up कि अगर what happens if things become worse, what happen if things go much beyond what you are thinking. अगर आप पॉजिटिव सोच रहे हो तो अगर नेगेटिव हो गया तो, अगर आप नेगेटिव सोच रहे हो पॉजिटिव हो गया तो, डू यू हैव द एनर्जी और capability to take it forward? There is so much going on, but there is definitely this energy of trying to make things work out. They may be manifesting you also, I'm seeing. Okay, all right. And I don't know, I'm getting that song of that Kabir Singh, दिल का दरिया बह ही गया types. उस तरह की एनर्जी दिख रही है मुझे. Want to make things work out, but समझ नहीं आ रहा है क्या करे. सिचुएशन मेरे हाथ में नहीं है, मेरे हाथ से सब छूट गया है, मेरे हाथ बंधे हुए हैं. बट देयर इज लव, देयर इज ऑब्सेशन, देयर इज अट्रैक्शन, बट कुछ कर नहीं पा रहे. Okay. All right, let's see what are their thoughts about you. What does this person think of you? What does this person think of you? The person you're not in contact with, what does this person think of you? I don't want all the cards. There are so many cards falling off. Sorry. Okay. Let's see. What are the thoughts of this person here we have? What does this person think of you? What does this person think of you? Please tell me, what does this person think here? What are the thoughts of this person here? Okay, they want justice. They want justice to be served. Now let's clarify the justice card. Please clarify the justice cards. This justice card has the thoughts of the person. Please clarify the justice card as thoughts of the person. What kind of justice are they looking for? Please clarify the justice card. Please clarify the justice card as the thoughts of the person. Okay. Both are major arcana card. Something, something is being awaited here. Some kind of justice they are waiting for it. They want to move things to the next level. Okay. They definitely want to come out of this stuck energy and they want to come towards you. But they are not sure what kind of situation will turn out. And if they are dealing with some kind of situation where, they are waiting for some kind of a legal opinion or something like that, they are just waiting for it to happen and then they can come towards you. Okay, that is what I'm getting. Please clarify the Chariot card as the thoughts of the person. Please clarify the Chariot card and as the thoughts of the person. Yes, this person definitely wants to come to you. They cannot stop thinking of you. They might be rereading the old chats, looking at the old photographs, recalling the old time they have spent with you. There is so much of emotional connection I'm seeing that they are missing. And they would definitely want to come towards you to relive that moment again, to connect with you again with that same emotional, depth. Maybe in their life they are dealing with something for which they want to complete something maybe in their life, and so that once that cycle is completed they can come towards you and connect with you at an emotional level, at a deeper level. That is what I'm getting. They definitely miss you. They feel like this is a soulmate kind of energy, because this is also a soulmate card, this is also a soulmate card. So there is definitely love, there is definitely emotions involved in this connection. But yeah, subconscious fears, not able to think clearly, and feeling comfortable in the stuck energy is all the main obstacle, is what I'm seeing here. Okay, let's see What does this person feel for you? What does this person feel for you? What does this person feel for you? Basically, what does this person feel for you here? What are the feelings of this person? 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 Please tell me. There is love, there is obsession, there is this energy to come towards you, make things work out in the situation, but all they have to do is to listen to their heart. Okay. Yes, they want to come towards you. Okay, they definitely want to come towards you with this, with this energy of taking the things ahead. जो भी obstacle है, they are ready to face it, and they are coming with that passionate energy, with a clear cut communication. Maybe if the person is reaching out to you, they might communicate, and the communication may be a bit of unexpected thing. Maybe out of the blue, this person might send you a message or reach out to you through somewhere, and they will definitely communicate to you about what they are going through or what they want, because they want the things to work out. Okay, they definitely want the things to work out in your favor, so that they can, a new cycle, a new phase in the life can start. For some of you, I also see that this person wants to settle down with you in a foreign land. Okay, they are just waiting for the right time so that they can take that step which is required in this connection. Okay, they definitely want to come towards you, if not settling down with you, but definitely they are looking for a future with you. It can be, maybe initially it can be for some of you, like okay, let's be friends again, let's have that old connection again. Okay, let's have that old bond which we used to share, because they definitely don't want to end things completely, because they are obsessively thinking of you and they want to have that connection, but they are waiting for some kind of things to get over so that they can move ahead and come towards you. Okay, all right, let's see what is blockage here. What are the blockages we have here? The cards are falling off. Please tell me, what are the blockages here in this connection? If there is love, there is obsession, there are emotions involved, then what is the blockage here? What is the blockage here? Please tell me, what is the blockage here? What is the blockage here? Please tell me, what is the blockage in this connection? Okay, I think one card flipped. All right. Yeah. Please clarify Two of Swords as the blockage. Please clarify Two of Swords as the blockage before I jump into any conclusion. Wow. I don't know. So, the person is not able to decide. Okay, I see for some of you there is a third party involved, and they are looking for some kind of guidance, some kind of clarity, some kind of suggestion from a senior person, experienced person. For some of you, I see they might be seeking some opinion from a spiritual person also on what they should do in this connection, because whatever happened was very painful. Okay, whatever the way, maybe this person has gone through some kind of breakup. It can be your energy also. Okay, that you are going through some kind of situation where you are not able to think clearly and see clearly, because you have gone through that pain. Okay, it can be through a breakup, it can be through a betrayal, it can be anything which was very heavy to deal with at an emotional level, and because of that suffering you had gone through or you are going through, you are not able to see clearly. And since you are not able to see clearly, you are in this stuck energy, and your third eye chakra is blocked, your heart chakra is blocked, because of that, whatever has happened, which has given you this pain. And if you are not taking in any kind of suggestion from someone, or if you have isolated yourself, आपने अपने आप को एकदम अकेला कर लिया, आप किसी से बात नहीं कर रहे हो, so there is also this need to communicate to someone, okay, who can guide you, who can listen to you. for some of you, for very few, it can be a, visiting a counselor just to speak out, so that that person will not judge you for anything, and just by sharing what you're going through, your pain will come down. Okay, that is what I am getting. Also, I am seeing that you need to create balance between your emotional well-being, your finances. Okay, अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा इस पेन की एनर्जी में रहोगे ना, so it will be very difficult for you to move on from the situation, and that is why the current energy came as the hanged man energy, which is feeling stuck. And then we have two of swords, which is not able to see clearly, and these two things are because of the pain you are going through deep down. अगर आप किसी से शेयर नहीं कर रहे हो तो ये it will take much more time to heal. Okay, so there is, I will also say that this has come as an advice that आपको अगर आप किसी से बात नहीं कर रहे हो, so there is a need for you to speak to someone. And in another scenario, I can see that there is a third party involved, because of which there is a blockage in the connection. Okay, the person is not able to decide what do they really want in this connection. Maybe it's you, them, and one more person, and here there is a issue in making a decision, a clear choice. Okay, and since the person is not able to make the clear choice, or it can be you who is not able to clearly decide, this is causing pain, and it can be a painful situation for all the people involved in the situation. Sorry, but this particular thing is not for all. Okay, it can be for very few and specific. This is a general reading, so I can't exactly say with whom it will resonate. So see how it's connecting with you. But I'm seeing that when you're going through all this, you also need to create balance. Take care of your mental health, your physical health, your emotional health. Okay, and also your spiritual health. I'm seeing you need to align yourself spiritually. Okay, you need to create balance in all the aspects of your life. Okay, don't give importance only to your physical health, only to your mental health, only to your emotional health. It's like you need to create a balance to bring everything in line at a time. Okay, that is what I'm getting here. The blockage is the pain and not able to decide what do you really want, and until you do this, you will not become able to come out of this stuck energy. Okay, we will take some advice for you also, so do stay till the end. What are the next moves in this connection, if any? What are the next move, if there is any? What are the next move here? Yeah, you need to look after something which gives you peace. Okay, which makes you feel good, which makes you feel emotionally fulfilled, basically. Okay, it can be for some of you meeting your old friends, or doing things which make you feel good. That is what you have to do. I see that this person might try to reach out to you maybe 9 weeks from now. It depends on case to case. Yeah, but I see that for some of you it can be a communication happening within 9 weeks from the day you are seeing this reading. And also that you need to focus on your emotional well-being and happiness. Do what makes you feel good emotionally, mentally. Do that. That is what you have to do. Okay, what is the near future outcome here in this connection? Please tell me. What is the near future outcome here in this connection? Oh, okay. See the devil card. So whatever, let me clarify it first. Please clarify the devil card as the future outcome. Please clarify the devil card as the near future outcome. Please clarify the devil card as the near future outcome. Okay. So even if the person is coming towards you, in case if it is resonating with you, and if you somewhere reach out to this person, or this person reaches out to you, you need to first understand what was the first case, or what happened initially which has made you gone through all this. Okay, ऐसा क्या हुआ था जिसकी वजह से आपको इतने painful situation से deal करना पड़ा था. Okay, so you have to be very clear in your thoughts, because I see that the energy is not so pure. Okay, I don't see that easy going things. Okay, I see that देयर इज इज फोकसिंग ऑन लैक मे बी जब अगर आप पर्सन से कनेक्ट कर रहे हो या पर्सन आपसे कनेक्ट कर रहा है, यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई इज दिस कनेक्शन हैपनिंग अगेन. ओके, इज इट बिकॉज ऑफ द लैक, इज इट the feeling of lack which is making you to get into this connection again, or what it is. Okay, because अगर आप किसी चीज का लैक में फोकस करके आप उसमें जाओगे ना, तो आपको थोड़े टाइम के बाद वही चीज फिर से सामने आएगी आपके. इट्स लाइक द एनर्जी, राइट? तो आप जिस चीज के पीछे भागते हो ना, यूनिवर्स समवेयर काइंड ऑफ टेक टेस्ट. ओके, कि आप अपने इस चीज से आपने लेसन सीखा है या नहीं. सो व्हाट इज दैट, which is making you go back to the same connection or to the same person? Because here it again you might feel stuck. Okay, and again you might find it difficult to come out of this energy. Okay, that is what I'm getting it very strongly. It can be for very few कि अगर आप वापस उसमें जाते हो बिना किसी प्रॉपर थिंकिंग के कि पहले आपको ये सब क्यों झेलना पड़ा था, तो हो सकता है आपको फिर से वहीं उसी साइकिल में आप वापस आ जाओ. Okay, so you have to be very careful. If you are going back in the same situation or around same people, then you need to be very clear with your choice and your decision. Okay, because this is a heavy energy. I'm getting it, a kind of heavy vibe here from this card. कि आप फंस जाओगे फिर से. See, ultimately it will again end up in maybe in a much more painful way. Okay, so you have to be very careful with the choice you are going to make. Okay, the outcome is, initially आपको लगेगा कि चलो ठीक है, पुराना कनेक्शन है, पुराना पर्सन है, I will, bond सही रहेगा, there is understanding, but you never know what the intention here is. Okay, so be careful before you go through this kind of energy of this painful again, because ये तो 3 of swords है, this is 10 of swords. ठीक है, so this was only maybe for teaching you a lesson, but if this situation comes, it will be a damn difficult thing to get over. Okay, so just be careful with your choice. If you're if in case you are planning to go back to the same connection, and yeah, just try to understand things clearly, see clearly, do some meditation. Okay, spend some time in the nature, do some grounding activities, so that you can connect with your inner self, you can connect with your soul, and you can understand what your soul is trying to say. If you don't feel good around certain things, certain people, and your body kind of your body will give you signs. Okay, so just try to understand and connect with yourself so that you don't end up in this painful cycle. Okay, that is what I'm getting. Let's see what is the advice we have for you. What is the advice we have for you here? We will take some guiding message. Yeah, 8 of Cups. Walk away from something which is not serving you. Okay, serving you for your good. So whatever is over, just उसको जाने दो. Move towards north. Move towards north means move towards your growth, move towards the bright, the bright side of the things. Don't go back into something which was very heavy to deal with. The what I'm getting here is, this card is saying जो हो गया उसको आग लगाओ और आगे बढ़ो. I don't mean it literally, but yeah, you don't have to waste your energy in what is gone. Rather, you have to focus towards light and move towards it. Focus towards your growth. Set yourself free from that past baggage, past heaviness, and move towards what you really want. See, you're ready to move on, but you're just it's like waiting for the things to work out. Just a minute. Waiting for the things to work out, waiting for the right time, so that you can move ahead. But at the same time, you don't have to look back. You don't have to look back and go back to the same energy, same connection which has given you the pain. Okay, one more we have. Yeah, it's eight of Pentacles. So as I was saying, you need to create balance. You need to focus on your finances, you need to focus on your health, you need to focus on your own growth. So focus on your skills, work towards your work for the betterment of your finances. आपका कोई skill है, आपका कोई talent है जिसको आपको लगता है कि you can upgrade it और आप उस पे और काम कर सकते हो. You can make it a side hustle maybe. सो उस चीज़ पे ध्यान दीजिए, बी क्रिएटिव, ओके, आपकी जो भी क्रिएटिविटी है उस चीज़ पे ध्यान दीजिए एंड फोकस ऑन योर ओन वेल बीइंग एंड योर ओन गुड फॉर योर ओन ग्रोथ. Okay, so that is what the message is. Leave whatever has happened, move ahead in your life. Okay, wait for the right time for the things to unfold. Meanwhile, while waiting, you can work on your skills and upgrade them. Okay, make your finances better, do things what makes you happy. Okay, that is what I'm getting. What is the message here? We'll take one oracle message here from the fairies deck. Please tell me what is the guiding message here. Please tell me what is the guiding message here. We have if the person wants to come out, okay, if the person is missing you, the person wants to come out, but the person is not able to decide. But now you have to understand what is that which has made you gone through so much of pain, and are you ready to deal with it again, or you're ready to move on in your life. Okay, so that is what you have to decide. Okay, we have two messages, so we need to take both. Manifest. See, first is be very honest and clear about what you wish to manifest in your life. Now write it down on paper. Manifestation, step 1. Okay, so as I said, whatever you really want in your life, try to work on it. You know, there is this energy of maybe, you know, trying to bring old things together, but what do you really want? What do you really want? Okay, us pe focus karo. New beginnings. Again, this fairy godmother heralds the joyous news of a new baby or the birth of a cherished idea. Protect and nurture your idea as you would protect a baby. Okay, so as I said, move on. There is something new coming towards you, and you need to, you know, focus towards your growth, focus towards your own well-being, focus towards things which makes you happy, and do things what makes you happy and which is good for your growth. Okay, be very careful with your, you know, your ideas. Maybe if you're, you know, आपको कुछ क्रिएटिव आइडियाज आ रहे हैं, अगर आप सबसे शेयर कर दोगे तो देर आर चांसेस दैट द पीपल मे टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ योर इनोसेंस एंड यू नो यूज दैट. ओके, सो आप बहुत केयरफुल रहना आप किसके साथ अपनी चीज़ें शेयर कर रहे हो. रैदर आई वुड से मैनिफेस्ट साइलेंटली एंड लेट योर सक्सेस मेक द नॉइस. ओके, दैट इज व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग. So this was the reading, guys. If you have liked it, please do like this video. Please claim the positive energy from this reading. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.